Urgent weather message. National Weather Service, Huntsville, AL 1001 AM CDT, Wednesday, March 19th, 2025. More Lincoln, Franklin, TN, including the cities of Lynchburg, Winchester, Estill Springs, Decherd, Sewanee, Fayetteville, and Cowan. 1001 AM CDT, Wednesday, March 19th, 2025. Wind advisory remains in effect until 10 p.m. CDT this evening. Watt, south winds 20 to 30 mph with gusts around 45 mph expected. Where, Franklin, TN, Lincoln, and more counties when until 10 p.m. CDT this evening. Impacts. Gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Precautionary preparedness actions. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution and